guys, I'm back. So, katapos ko lang mag-exercise guys, hindi pa ako naligo kasi hindi talaga ako naligo pag after mag-exercise. I think maghintay ako ng 30 minutes or 45 minutes before ako mag-shower kasi hindi yan maganda guys kung nag-exercise. Galing kayo sa exercise tapos dumiretso kayo sa shower. So, ngayon guys, gagawa na ako sa aking chicken pie. Meron tayong spring onion and chicken stock and cauliflower and I have mushroom. Hindi ito lahat guys. And ito na sauce, yung creamy chicken and mushroom and garlic of course, and yung pastry natin guys na defrost na siya, and chicken breast. Kunin natin yung chicken breast. So, yeah, ito yung chicken breast, guys. So, hindi ko na ito by step pagluluto, guys. Kasi hindi pa ako sure kung masarap ba to na chicken pie ko. Pero kung success tayo sa ating chicken pie, maybe next time i-vlog ko kung ano ang mga ingredients o kung paano siya lulutuin. I think it all came back when I was looking back at you. Oh, how I've missed those signs. You must have missed mine too. Did you breathe me in? If you would only know that you're in my air. For every second, everywhere I go. So why are we hiding in these crowded places? Cause when our eyes meet, we drop our poker faces. Yeah, we keep on acting like we left no traces. But when our eyes meet, we drop our poker faces. We hid behind the daylight while I was longing for your touch. We never let the other in, cause we were scared to fall back into the old habits. But we will, yeah, we're on the track. So why are we hiding in these crowded places? Cause when our eyes meet, we drop our poker faces. Yeah, we keep on acting like we drop our poker faces. Yeah, we keep on acting like we left no traces. But when our eyes meet, we drop our poker face. I think it all came back when I was looking back at you. Oh, how I've missed those signs. You must have missed mine too. Did you breathe me in? If If you would only know that you're in my air, for every second, everywhere I go. So why are we hiding in these crowded places? 'Cause when our eyes meet,
I did just what you I'm not as wide as off there. Come on, keep up.
You don't feel like that maybe she's not in the same headspace as you?
Again, that's why I need to sort this leg out so I stop this stupid stamping tool.
Can't be able
Let's do another set.
I really hope you know what you're doing.
Wait! For yourself. Doing on right. Okay, away. Right? How's the right now? Wait. Good. Don't even fall off the stop lately.
Whoa, yum! So, ito na guys, so, kunin lang natin. So, yan na. Success yung ating first gawa sa ating pie. Look at that! And crispy pa. Diba? Masarap! And this one. Hindi na to mainit, guys. I think, nilib ko siya after sa oven mga 10 minutes. And hindi na siya sobrang init. Look at that! I'm so happy! Ah! Sarap! So, tikman natin guys. Punta tayo sa Punta tayo sa table. Uy. I-on natin yung lights.
I'll keep Lucy calm here and you star it out.
Uy. Ito na ating pie. So, ito na guys. Meron pang 4 doon. Oh, ang sarap! Uy! I'm sure ma-excite si Brit nito kasi ito yung paborito niya guys. Pie. Lagi siyang bumibili kasi dito sa Australia maraming nagbinta nito. So, oh my first. Ang galing ko talaga. So, tikman natin guys. Try. So, pinicturean ko guys. Sinisend ko kay Brit. Sinisend ko sa kanya. So, tikman na natin guys. Wala pa akong kain today. This is my first food. Kumakain ako kanina ng scrambled egg. Yan lang. So, sarap. Ang sarap. Ang sarap niya, guys. Sarap. That's it my vlog for today, guys. And hope na enjoy niyo. And hope we'll see you in my next vlog. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel, guys. And hit the notification bell para ma-notify kayo pag meron akong bagong video. Hope we'll see you in my next vlog. Bye-bye!